Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. First of all, I thank the authority for giving me the opportunity to speak here. I hope everybody is well. Well, this is Salman Shah Siam. I'm really pleased to come here in this beautiful place. Actually, I am not in the habit of speaking public place. I'm really sorry for my ignorance. Anyway, I'll try my best to say something regarding my topic. Today's topic is English fantasy. English is very important for our life. Nowadays, English language is required in every sector. For studying abroad to freelancing, online marketing, and even the ICT sector, English is very important. When I felt the need to learn English, I started looking for a good institution to learn English language. Finally, I found English Fantasy and I enrolled. English Fantasy founder, our Asadul Islam Razan sir, he arranged the English Fantasy in such a way that English is taught like Bengali. After I enrolled here, my confidence in learning English has increased. English Fantasy every time supports every student 24 hours a day, and every mentors here always trying to support every student. 5 days after I came here, speaking Bengali was completely banned. Anyone speaking in Bengali has to pay fine. We have one mentors assigned at a room. That's why we have faced any problem, we get a quick solution. With residential and daycare facilities, anyone can learn English is very easily. Students don't waste extra time as hotels have their own food. Since everyone here speaks English, learning English language has become very easy. All in all, I think English Fantasy is very good institution for learning English. This was my brief discussion of English Fantasy. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.